What's up, Sonic Squad? It's Tyler or Sonic here, bringing you a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be bringing a brand new product to the channel, the Easy Lip spoiler for the front of the car. Super excited to be working with these guys. I'm going to be doing a cool little compilation installing it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it. So as you guys can see here, there's the lip. Get close for you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Huge thanks to Easy Lip for sponsoring me, my Chrysler 200, and my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to work with you guys a lot more in the future. I know we have a lot more coming for you guys that we've already started discussing. For all you guys that are interested in purchasing an Easy Lip, they were awesome enough to give the Sonic Squad our own discount code. We get 20% off at checkout if you use code SONIC. Put that right across the screen here. It'll also be in the link in the description. Make sure you spell it just like my channel name. That's SONIIC. Make sure to spell it just like that at checkout. You'll see 20% off of your order. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions or anything you want to say about today's video. Remember to subscribe when you're new, and I'm out. Thanks, guys.